Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are viewing for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notification. Today, I will be treating the short R sound. Short R sound is a vowel sound which is commonly found in 3-letter words or 4-letter words with letter A. Letter A. So the letter A there sounds R, and it is commonly found in 3-letter words or 4-letter words. Example of R sound with 3-letter words, we have cat, as in C-A-T, cat. We have bad, as in B-A-D, bad. Can, bag, as in B-A-G, bag. We also have the R sound in words that are more than 3. But don't forget, it is commonly found in words with letter A. Example, we have traffic, traffic. We have bandage, bandage. We have band, as in B-A-N-D, band. We have bank, bank. We also have words like snatch. Also, it is found in words like packet, packet. It's also found in words like sand, sand. We also have the R sound in words like happy, happy. In most words, we have the sound R as the beginning sound of a word. Example, apple, apple. So the R there begins the word apple. We also have it in a word like antelope, antelope. So the R there in the antelope begins the sound. We also have the R sound in ant, ant. It begins the word there, ant. Note that the letter A that sounds R does not have rules like our previous sounds we treated, because letter A is commonly found in words with the letter itself. That's the R sound is commonly found in words with letter A. You can have letter E sounding R. It's not possible. So the letter A sounds R, and it's found in words with the letter A that sounds R. Like the example, traffic, bag, bad, bank, and can, canopy. So you have that sound in those words. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button. I remain your coach, Oshodi Caroline Lekon.